So, another viral video of another woman beating her child has surfaced on the internet, and this one, when I saw it, I literally had tears in my eyes. I literally had to give my husband back the phone and said, I can't watch any more of this at all. And the story that goes with it said a legal counsel has been assigned, a lawyer to the mother who is at the center of an investigation into allegedly beating of her 5-year-old daughter. The incident was captured in a 6-minute video which later went viral on social media. The assigned lawyer is expected to be present when the mother undergoes a question and answer session with investigators. Assigned lawyers are drawn from an approval list compiled by the Legal Aid Council. The council is the agency which mandate to provide legal service to members of the public who have been charged with various offenses. So she's in the middle of an investigation. And what broke my heart in this video is this little girl was literally begging her to stop hitting her. Begging her mom to stop hitting her. And she's there beating her child, and the baby on the bed is crying. And then I think another child was the one videoing it. So she has 3 children witnessing her abusing their sister. Honestly, this was heart-wrenching. And even more heart-wrenching because this comes right after a little boy details as to why he killed himself. Right after this surfaces on the internet. And honestly, I believe giving your children spankings is okay, or punishing them is okay to a certain degree, but it seems like our Jamaican women don't understand the difference between spanking a child or punishing a child and abusing a child, because what she was doing wasn't punishing a child, she was abusing this child. Abusing the child. Okay, I was in tears watching this, so I can only imagine what's going through the other kid's head that's sitting there videoing it and actually watching her do this to her little sister. What can a 5-year-old be doing that's so bad at school to warrant a beating like that? What type of company can a 5-year-old be keeping at school to warrant beating a child like that? And after she beat the child, she told the child that she's going to kill her. Okay? She rather kill her. How she the next time a belt buckle she a go use and bust her forehead. And in the video, she talks about how you get beaten last week for the same thing. You won't hear. And she also goes on to talk about how this girl did well in school last year. And it was only her alone. They provide for her daughter and send her daughter to school. And how she's not falling back from school, and how the father just no other day give her a little piece of money for help send her to school. Quite honestly, when these women open up them legs to man, they know the possibility is there of getting pregnant, because most of them don't know anything about contraceptive or birth control, or even if they do know, they don't care enough to protect themselves or make their partners use condom, because raw sex feel better. So if you feel better, you gotta deal with the consequences that come with it. You bear a child. A child didn't ask to be born. A child didn't ask to come into the world. So when you're stressing out that child about what her father is not doing for her, what does that do for her? What does that do for the child? She didn't ask to be here. She didn't ask for you and her dad to have sex and bring her into this world. So that's not her responsibility. Enough of these women just deal with anybody and any man and have how much pitney by different man and still don't learn anything at all because them keep on picking the same type of man. And also this dirty man where breed up them woman here and actually left them with this mad woman, because the only thing they can think of to say this woman is a mad. Okay, anybody will pick up for this woman are just as mad as she need help. And if I was whoever doing this investigation, she would dare jail, lock up long time. Okay, lock up, and that's where the key. Someone needs to be held accountable for these beatings and these abuse of these children. Somebody needs to be made an example out of. Somebody, like, something needs to be done to protect these kids. Who is going to protect them? So with that being said, comment in the comment section and tell me if you've seen this video on social media, and tell me what you think about the video. Tell me what you think about the child. Tell me what you think about the mother. Tell me if you think she should go to jail, and tell me what you think about beatings and spankings for kids. Comment in the comment section and tell me what you guys think about this whole story. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl here on YouTube. I'm out of here, man. Deuces.